Hey guys, it's Alex from Alexander Fam, and today we're gonna be going fishing. Now, I just got like an addiction to Rubik's Cubes. See, there's one, like getting to taken apart. It's a 4x4, which I don't have no idea how to solve. So I ate these for breakfast, and I did eat meatball subs for dinner. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my trustiest shoes on. These are for metal detecting and fishing and whatever. That's why they're so dirty, guys. Alright, we are now outside, and let's go ahead and get in the truck. Alright, so guys, we're actually making daily vlogs now. This is number 2 on the whole channel. Day 2, bringing in body armor and Doritos. So guys, here's my dad. Say hi.
Oh, I thought you wanted them to say hi to me.
Oh. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Alright guys, I'll get back to you when I get to it. We are here at the pier.
Without fear.
Yeah, Mr. Driver. Look, it's like a cool light. Alright guys, today we're going to be fishing page 22. Let's get up here now. Alright guys, we're now on the boat, and we're going to now disconnect. We are now out. Alright guys, we're here in the middle of the bridge. We're gonna go ahead and check over here, so I will get back to you whenever we catch something, or we see something. No luck yet, but I'm gonna eat some Doritos. Well guys, we're back home and nothing. So, thanks so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys in your next vlog tomorrow. Bye guys.